Triumph introduces a special edition of the Trident 660, the 2025 Triple Tribute Special Edition, paying tribute to the legendary motorcycle Slippery Sam, who won 5 consecutive Isle of Man TT races in the 1970s. The motorcycle features a white, blue, and red color scheme inspired by the TT-winning Trident 750 cubic centimeters. The iconic racing number 67 is emblazoned on the tank, a nod to Slippery Sam's glorious history. The addition of a standard flyscreen and belly pan enhances the racing look while improving aerodynamics. Powered by a 660 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder engine, the Trident Triple Tribute produces 81 horsepower at 10,250 RPM and peak torque of 64 Nm at 6,250 RPM. This engine character delivers smooth acceleration and even torque across a wide rev range, ideal for everyday use or light touring. The 6-speed transmission is equipped with Triumph Shift Assist, enabling clutchless gear changes for a smoother riding experience. Despite its classic design, this motorbike is equipped with advanced technology such as IDNtimes.com, a digital TFT instrument panel integrated with Bluetooth connectivity via the My Triumph module allows turn-by-turn navigation as well as music and phone call controls. Lin.co.uk. Road and rain riding modes as well as deactivable traction control provide flexibility according to road conditions. Full LED lighting system improves visibility and aesthetics. With its lightweight and tubular steel chassis, the Trident offers agile and stable handling. The show a 41mm upside-down front suspension and adjustable rear mono-shock ensure comfort in various road conditions. The braking system uses a 2-piston Nissan caliper with 310mm dual discs at the front, providing strong and responsive stopping power. The Triumph Trident 660 Triple Tribute Special Edition 2025 is available in international markets starting April 2025 at a price of around $8,595. With a combination of iconic design, responsive engine performance, and modern technology, the 2025 Triumph Trident 660 Triple Tribute is an attractive choice for riders who want a classic-style motorbike with the latest features.